What do you got going over there?
Alright, so these bottles are really nice.
When they work.
When they work, and they're always getting plugged. And when we were at SEMA, last year.
What do you put in your bottle?
Brake clean.
Brake clean.
They did give us a little tip if you guys are having the same issue. The brake clean that you buy in volume or, for this application has a lot of trash in it. And they found if you run it through cheesecloth before you put it into these cans, it'll stop plugging up these small ones, right? But the same company, remember that? Sure Shot, right? They make an adjustable so you can build a fan. Obviously, this makes this a much better unit.
If it works.
Because if it works. But it was, it was frustrating because you get it goes like sprays in his.
Yep.
Like they last for like a minute. But definitely a super handy tool.
When they work.
Give this a taste. I can't remember what's in here.
I can smell it. Can't you smell it?
I can't want to stick my nose all the way in it.
I can smell it over here, and I'm 3 feet away. What do you do? Put some more stink juice in there? Or are you going to filter it? You're not going to filter it?
I think I have some. You know what? It'll be perfect for this. Let me grab that.
Nylons work really good for a lot of things. All that to clean our pistons off. See? Clean, clean, clean. It's all about being clean. Alright, this stuff we're done with. Those we're keeping. Those have to go and be installed.
Pour over coffee filters. Here.
Coffee filters are coarse, aren't they?
This one's pretty fine. Don't you think that should do the job?
I don't know. I don't drink coffee. You said your coffee was chunky, so I'm assuming you didn't filter it.
Maybe that's what your problem is.
Or if you filter and it's chunky, that filter's not very good. I wonder which one it is.
Maybe you just need a little coffee in your life.
Filters, you didn't filter, is the coffee dirty because the filter's no good or because you didn't filter it?
Right? Good question.
Either way, you drank it, so it doesn't really matter, does it?
I enjoyed it.
It comes out the other end the same way, right? What kind of a filter is this? It's a piece of paper.
Yeah. Exactly what it is. Just try a slightly different, larger filter here.
Oh, there goes a good one.
So,
some nylons work really good for this kind of stuff,
What does?
Nylons.
Well, I'm fresh out at the moment.
You sure? Pull your pant legs up. I was just saying, I think let's go down the street, I'd get some. Oh, they don't wear nylons untied, do they? Yeah, that's right. Looks like brake clean.
Showing up is.
Strongest breaker formula ever. It does such good brake clean, how come it's not evaporated already?
There's a lid on it.
Mm-hmm.
No question on that.
If that was California brake clean, it would not be dangerous. It's non-flammable.
Oh, this is guaranteed to be flammable.
Oh, this is flammable stuff? Just the good stuff, huh? You're not supposed to fill these all the way to the top either.
That's probably all we need either way.
So now I gotta filter my stuff when I use it? What if I don't have a filter? Have to buy me some filters now?
You're going to have to use your pantyhose.
I don't have
Just use
them.
a pair that's got a run in them.
Yeah.
That's what my grandma used to say.
Some used ones.
My nylon's got a run in them.
Yeah.
Granny used to wear the ones that came all the way up, not the sexy ones that we think about in our minds. She was full pants.
Put more in there if you want.
Well, now you want more. No, we're good here. This is where we're going to stop. We'll add more when necessity
When it quits
forces
working?
us.
When it quits working, we'll use
Yes.
it? You're not using an official
Very
tool.
good.
You don't have a dedicated wrench for that? Mine didn't say brake clean on the side of it, so I can't use brake clean on mine.
Yeah, you probably.
Oh, that's a Milwaukee sprayer spray. Did you buy that from Home Depot? I'm from Harbor Freight.
It's very comfortable. I don't know where I got it, honestly.
It says Milwaukee sprayer on it. I just Sure Shot's number on ours. Mine's red. I have these fancy green ones like this. I just got done rebuilding mine. I bought all kinds of brand new stuff for it. And you know what? It still plugs up and spurts and doesn't work.
Really? Still have trouble?
And it puts out way too much of a stream, even though I got the fine tip on it. Dude, it's full. You didn't put your rubber protector on there. Very important. And don't put that on my rubber rug, it might destroy it. Is it working? Ooh, there you go, it's adjustable. There you go, that one. Yeah,
It's already worked longer than they usually do, and it's about, what you see in there is about what you get, and then you gotta pull it out, clean everything up.
That's about where it works at? That's good, you don't have to get too carried away with that crap. Yeah, I used to have an air nozzle on the end of the line, but somebody took it off.
Somebody's mussing with that.
Shooting stuff at me. Is that clean now? Push against your bike. I'd go to rubber against rubber, doesn't slide as much. I'd help you, but I'm the cameraman, so
Yep.
I'm under contract. I can't help
Yeah,
anybody.
yeah. This one, actually, union employee, I don't think you're supposed to be filming anything right now. I think you're
Well,
on strike. I won't tell you.
Non-union.
I will, your secret's safe with me.
I'm non-union.
Oh, you're a scab. So am I.
No, I'm non-union.
So you're not gonna be a scab, are you? My girlfriend's a union employee. You know, she has lots of words for me. Scab is probably one of the nicest ones she got.
I'll trade you.
Well, you got your 100 foot-pounds right now.
I know, but you're going to drop it.
Yep. I have to turn it back on with that beautiful music this thing makes.
Yeah.
Get out of here, you mangy mutt. Get over out of here.
Okay, that's good. Don't get too carried away there.
Yeah. Stuff evaporates really nicely.
Obviously not the California. The California approved stuff doesn't evaporate all the way now. You have to give me some real stuff down here, I guess.
Listen, we can work it out. You can probably take the rest of that junk. Don't tell anybody.
I would never do that.
When you go through that thing that they don't make you stop on the way through,
Yeah.
They're worried about bananas or apples. I'm not exactly sure what they're worried about. Don't tell them that. You ain't got any bananas in there, do you? Just one.
I don't know why they care. They all come from Mexico anyway. Doesn't matter what state they're in. It's not like they grow them here anymore. Okay, are those clean? They were until I touch them with my clean hands. Okay, you happy now?
Rings?
What about them?
Spray them? Blow them?
No, they're in sealed packages.
Okay. Okay.
I never clean rings. All right. I'm gonna need a coffee filter now too, though. So that's a used one. No, I can't have a used one. That smells like
Stuff smells like,
brake clean.
tastes like cancer.
Perfect.
That's,
Is
that's how you know it works.
you got that California label on there?
Yeah, so if it tastes like cancer, it's the strong stuff.
There you go.
If it just tastes like, kind of watered down, you know you got.
That's California. Yeah. All right. Next thing we're gonna play with heads. Let's get everything gathered up. We'll be back.